Hey, good afternoon, fam. Good afternoon. Hope all is well with everybody. Hope all is well with everybody. Hey, listen, I want to take a moment to let you guys know we have a couple of things going on right now, within the organization. But one of them though is we're actually doing a heavy push towards educating people in reference to retirement, right? Because that's a huge problem right now in America right now. A lot of people, I was watching probably a couple of weeks ago. Um, I was on YouTube and I was watching this like a documentary that was interviewing a lot of people who were 60 plus and who were still working. And a lot of them um, believe that they're going to end up working until they die, right? They're going to end up working until they die. So the title of this content today is going to be 6 feet under is the new retirement plan for most Americans. 6 feet under is the new retirement plan for most Americans. And that's not a good thing or a good place to be in. And what we want to do is help as many people as we possibly can and start to get them towards better options. Right now they say approximately 40 to 50% of older American households risk running out of money in retirement. 40 to 50% of older American households risk running out of money in retirement. This could be your parents. This could be you if you're watching this, right? Um, Lack of savings. Roughly 42% of Americans have nothing saved for retirement. That's a wild number. Like they didn't say they have a portion saved up for retirement. This says roughly 42% of Americans have nothing, $0. This is millions of people that we're talking about here that have no money for retirement. And they say around 45% of retirees are at risk of depleting their assets before before they pass away, right? And this is highly disturbing. And I personally believe at this point, I think the problem, just my personal belief, and if you're watching this content right now today, let me know what your thoughts are. Let me know if I'm wrong or if I'm disconnected. I don't know, right? But I personally believe that a lot of the problems that we're having nowadays, I believe is discipline, right? Or even before discipline, I believe just people getting the right information and getting started is some of the problems, right? Getting started, procrastination is one of the main reasons why most people do not have any retirement income. They just haven't sat down with somebody to go over what their options are and to get started. And then there are people who actually have sat down with people but just never made a move. I'm not sure what's going on here, but there's a lot of people out here today, right? I'm over here in downtown Baltimore. I'll find out what that is in a minute. It might be a show or something, who knows? But a lot of people, I think procrastination kills them. A lot of people will say, hey, you know what? I'll get to it later. But then later never comes. You understand? Like a lot of people always want to wait for the perfect time to make a move into doing something. There's never, as long as you're a human being living on this planet, there's never gonna be a perfect time to do anything. You just have to get at it. You just have to go. You just have to start. Just do it. You understand? Um, and let me touch on that for a second because also most of the reason why people are not able to save for retirement is because of income, right? And most people are too afraid to try a new career. You understand? Or they'll say the same thing. Oh, I'll look into that later. So they never get started. So these are some of the problems that is going on right now in America. And a lot of people are hurting and a lot of people are going to be hurting, right? We also live in an era where people want to look and feel good like the people they see on TV. So a lot of people will end up breaking the bank just to look like the people they see on IG, people in Hollywood, you understand? People on TikTok, Facebook, right? Sometimes they're watching it and then seeing people. I had a client told me one time, right? This is a client um, that she wanted to tap into her 401k to take a few $1,000s out to take a trip. And the first question I asked her is, I'm like, why would you want to do a thing like that? She's like, oh, well, everybody else is just living their life. And I feel as though I'm just working and don't have nothing, or I'm not doing nothing or whatever like that, right? And I'm like, you know how much it's going to cost you, number one, to pull money out of your 401k? You're going to pay about 35% in taxes. And then you're not 59 and a half yet. So that's also going to hurt you with a 10% fee charge, right? But to my point, again, most people sit here and watch IG and watch social media and they feel as though that they're not doing anything in life. And then they break their discipline, right? They break the bank. They start cashing out money to go do things. Now, I'm not saying you shouldn't live. That's not what I'm saying. But what I'm saying is there's gonna come a point where your future self is gonna need you of today. What do I mean? You of today is up to you to plan for your future self. It's up to you today to make sure that when you're older, that you're able to survive and you're able to take care of yourself. You understand? And this is what's going on right now. A lot of people never did that. A lot of people never did that, which is the reason why almost 40 to 50%, that's almost half of the country right now would not be able to retire. That's crazy. And we live in the greatest country in the world, the wealthiest country actually in the world. And half of the people will not be able to retire. And a lot of people in America make pretty decent money. They might think they don't, but they make pretty decent money. But their lifestyle is what's hindering them from success. Listen, I talk to a lot of people, right? I said, listen, you guys get these tax money back every single year, right? And you have children, right? There's absolutely no reason why your children should ever have to get school loans. You guys are actually doing positive things with the money that you get back every single year, right? Most people from age 0 to, let's say, age 12 that have children around that age, in most cases, they get at the bare minimum 15 to 1700 back every single year for taxes. And in most cases, they blow through that money. Okay? I just sat down with a client the other day. I love her to death because she's mad disciplined. Soon as she got the money, Maxwell, I got my tax money. Okay, what do you suggest I do with it? And things like that. We talk every single year. She's one of them, right? But she got roughly over nine, almost $10,000 back. Okay? And she has four children. So most people that have 3 kids, 4 kids, things like that, they're getting a crap load of money back every single year. But every single year, they blow through it. Did you know? Let me just give you guys a little bit of math. If you take $2,000 from your tax refund every single year, right, and you put it into an 8% interest earning account, and I can show you how to do that, right? You put it into an 8% interest earning account. Did you know that let's say your child is newborn, right? That by the time your child is 19 years old or so, you have close to $100,000 in that account. You know what that means for your child? No school loan. They can get a higher education without having to go in debt. You understand? Okay, even the parents, right? Let's say they get $10,000 back in tax return. If they take a measly $5,000 every single year, they find these taxes and put it away in an 8% interest on an account for the next 15 to 20 years, they'll have a little bit under $300,000 in their cash, right? But every single year, they get this money and they got cruisers planned to blow through that money. They got a new Louis bag that they get an eye on to blow through that money. As a matter of fact, last week, the new Jordan Wolf Gray hit the stores. And coincidentally, right, the location, the city where we're having our next workshop, our next financial literacy workshop, which is Stockbridge, Georgia. There were people lined up outside at the shoe store, getting into arguments and fights just to buy the new Jordan Wolf Gray. These are grown adults. These are grown adults. So listen, I want to take a moment to share this with you guys because our next workshop, which is going to be again in Stockbridge, Georgia. Let me give you guys the information here. So if you're watching this, we want you guys to come out, right? We want you guys to come out and come learn. It's free, but we're only taking 50 people. So you have to RSVP, okay? And how do you do that? You just text me after watching this video. If you in that area, just text me and let me know that you're interested in coming out, and we'll get you the information. But that's going to be on March 21st, in a couple of weeks, March 21st, right, at Stockbridge, Georgia, from 12:30 to 2 p.m., right? And we're going to go over a plethora of things. We're going to go over tax-free retirement planning. It is such a thing, right? We're going to go over